Welcome to Val Viola, a breathtaking valley nestled between Bormio and Livigno. Covered in snow during the winter months, this serene trekking route offers a magical escape into the heart of the Italian Alps. Let's explore its pristine beauty step by step. The valley stretches ahead, following the gentle curve of a stream that runs its entire length. The sound of flowing water and the crunch of snow underfoot create a peaceful rhythm as we make our way through this snowy paradise. In the summer, this stream is a refreshing companion for hikers and bikers, but in winter, it adds to the tranquil charm of the landscape. In the middle of the valley, we come across the Federico Valgoi Refuge, sitting in a vast, open expanse surrounded by snow-covered peaks. While it's closed for the season, this refuge becomes a hub of activity in the summer, welcoming hikers and mountain bikers seeking adventure in the Alps. Even in winter, it stands as a symbol of the valley's inviting spirit. As we make our way back, the trail takes us through a peaceful forest where snow-draped trees create a magical winter wonderland. And emerging from the woods, we arrive at the Baita Caricc, a cozy mountain refuge waiting to welcome us. After 12 kilometers of snowshoeing, the warm haul and delicious food are the perfect reward for our efforts. Hit like if you love Italian food. Val Viola is more than just a destination. It's an experience. So whether you visit in the snowy embrace of winter or the green splendor of summer, this valley promises serenity, adventure, and unforgettable memories. If this winter escape inspires you, hit like, subscribe, and let us know. Would you trek through the snow to reach these hidden gems of the Italian Alps? Let us know in the comments below. And until next time, happy trekking!